Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we will start 13.6 exercise. And in 13.6 exercise, we will use these three formula. Volume of a cylinder. Volume of cylinder, I already explained it. What is pi r square h? Volume means how much water it can hold. What is capacity of this cylinder? Okay. So this one. So first question, we are going to start. First question, what is? It is given the circumference of the base of the cylinder. It is a cylinder, okay, and we know base of the cylinder is a circle, and its circumference is 132. One circumference 132 centimeter is given. It means circumference mean total length of outer boundary. Okay, circumference you know. And its height is given this one. So we have to find how many liters of water it can hold. So how many liters of water it can hold. So it means whenever in the question what is capacity, how many water it can hold, how much milk it can hold. So it means we have to find that it's a volume. So first, and if you want to find volume, we need pi r. R we know. We need h. H is given. So first we will find radius. To write circumference of in the given base of the cylinder. So circumference of base of cylindrical vessel. How much given? 132 centimeter. And base of the cylindrical is always circle, so it means circle circumference how much? 2 pi r equal to 132. It is also circumference of circle. It is also, understand or not? So from here we will find the radius. Okay, so it's come to 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 132. Okay, 22 6 ja, because 22 on the other side divide, then we can cut. So 2 3. So what is radius? R is 21 centimeter. Okay. Same as it is height of vessel. How much given? Height of vessel is given 25 centimeter. Okay. Now it is given. Now we have to find how much water it can hold. So it means we have to find the volume. So right. So volume of vessel. Find pi r square into h. Okay, pi you know, everyone know what is pi value. Pi value 22 by 7. R 21 multiply 21 into 25. Tables are very important. That we will multiply 22 by 21 or 25. 7 3. So multiply it. So it is come. When you multiply it, it is come 21 into 3, 63. 63 into 25 into 22. So you should know tables. So 25 3 ja 75. 25 6 ja 150. 150 plus 7, 150. Now multiply by 22. 22 5 ja 110. 22 7 ja 154. 154 plus 11, 165. 2 5 110 plus 16 126. 22 into 1 22 plus 12 how much? 34 centimeter cube. So what is the volume of this? Volume of this vessel is 34,650 centimeter cube. But we have to find how many liters of water. So we have to find answer in liter. So we will use this formula. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. But answer in centimeter cube. 1 centimeter. So right? 1 centimeter cube. How will you find? If you want to find 1 centimeter cube, 1000 another side, divide. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. To write capacity of vessel. How much? It is value of 1 centimeter cube. How total is 3, 4, 6, 5 divided by 1000. 0 cut by 0, it is come 34.65 liter. So what is capacity? So it can hold 34 liter water. Okay, this one. So it is your answer. Understand it? Now next is, remember this one, 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter, but 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. Next is, we have to find, second question, the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe. Wooden pipe, yes, everyone know pipe is like this one. Okay, pipe, it is, yes, it is a cylindric, it is like a cylinder, but pipe is like this one or not. But when we observe a hollow pipe, so it means it's some width also of the wooden, because it is made by wooden, it is a wooden pipe. So it means it is like this one, it is a cylinder, okay, and it's wooden pipe. Okay, so like this one, it is a hollow. Okay, like this one. Understand or not? So this one we have to give. Okay, and in question is given the inner diameter of the cylindrical wooden pipe. So inner means inner. So it means inner diameter. One is the inner and one is outer diameter. Its inner mean only from here to here, and outer diameter this one. So inner diameter is given 24 centimeter. Next is, and outer diameter is 28. Yes, outer diameter is 28 centimeter. Next is the length of pipe. Length of pipe is 35 centimeter length. And next is, we have to find the mass of the pipe. Mass means find the weight of the pipe. Weight of the pipe, if 1 centimeter cube equal to wood has a mass. So it means always remember, no, it is a hollow pipe. Okay, like this one, it is a hollow pipe. So wooden is using here or not? Wooden we are using only here. Yes, only yes, this one. And tell me, if you want to find only this one weight, how will you find? We will find total volume of outer cylinder minus volume of the inner, because when we subtract from this one is first we will find volume of outer and minus volume of inner. If we will subtract this one, so what is remain? Only this one remain or not? Yes, only this one. Understand or not? Because it is, if we will find first volume of outer and inner, so what is remain? Only this one is wooden is remain. Okay, so first, so in this question, first we will find the volume of outer, then inner. So write radius. So we will write inner radius. Inner radius of pipe, you can say that R1. What is 24 divided by 2? 12 centimeter. You can find radius. And now outer radius of pipe. Outer radius means R2. Both are different. 28 divided by 2, 14 centimeter. Now length of pipe 35 centimeter. Now we have to find what is the mass of the wooden pipe. So write mass of wooden pipe. So how will you find? So we will write volume of. So we will find inner volume of pipe minus outer. Okay, always we will stack bigger minus smaller. So inner minus inner volume of a pipe, because in both inner length is same. Okay, so it's right. So outer pi r is what we are taking, r2 square. 2 means they are both, it is r1, it is r2. H minus pi r1 square. You understand why we take r2 and r1? Because radius are different. We cannot take r both. Okay, but h is same. So what is common? Tell me. Pi is common, h is common. Pi common, h common. What is remain? R2 square minus R1 square. Now you can find value. Pi value 22 by 7. Okay, 22 by 7 into h value. Everyone know 35. Now R2 is 14 square and it is 12 square. I am writing here. Now 22 by 7, 35. What is come? Multiply. 14 square 196, 144. Square are very important. Okay. Next is 22 by 7 into 35 into 196. This minus 144. 6 minus 4 2. 9 minus 4 5. So it is, you can cut 7 5 jar. So it is 120 into 5 110 52. What answer will come? 0 as it is. 11 to the 22. 11 5 jar 55. 55 plus 2 57 centimeter cube. It is the volume of wood. It is volume. But in the question is given, we have to find mass. So what is given? 1 centimeter cube. How much? So write mass of 1 centimeter cube. How much? 0.6 gram. But total mass is how much? Total volume is, to write mass of 5720 centimeter cube. How much? 0.6 multiply 5720 divide by 10. Why? Remove decimal of this one. Now 0 cancel 0. So multiply this one. 6 to the 12. 6 7 the 42. 42 plus 43. And 6 5 the 30. 30 plus 4 30. So it is 3432 gram. The mass of the wood. Do you understand it? So next is, okay. It was second question. Now we will do next. Okay. Next question you will do yourself. Very easy question. Only hint I am giving. Hint what is? What is given? A soft drink is available in 2-pack. Okay, soft drink. Always you drink the cold drink, na? So soft drink, a tin can with rectangular base. Yes? Yes, in a cuboid, base is rectangular base. Of length is 5 and so it means one soft drink is given like a cuboid. Okay. This one given. Whose 5 centimeter length and it is, and height is, and its length is, height is 15 centimeter. Yes. Next is, we have to find, and second one, it is what? First soft drink. Next, second is, a plastic cylindrical. Yes. Yes. This is like a cylinder. Okay. Second soft drink. Okay. And what is given? Base of diameter. Base of diameter is 7 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. So we have to find which container has greater capacity. Capacity mean we have to find a volume. So find the volume of this one. Volume of cuboid everyone know, L into B into H, and volume of this one pi R square H. So we will find both. R given, H given, L given, B given, H. We will find its volume. Okay, and how much? And how much we will find? We will subtract. Suppose it is come 100 and it is come 80. So how much? 100 minus 80, 20 is more. So we will find it is not come 100. It is only, I just take an example. You will do yourself this question. Next is question 4. Question 4 also you can do yourself. If the lateral surface area of a cylinder, lateral, it is a cylinder. Okay, it is a cylinder. Lateral surface area is how much given? 94.2 centimeter square. Always remember, whenever come centimeter square, meter square, it means we are finding area, and whenever it come cube, so it means we are finding volume. So lateral surface area, everyone know what is? It is 90. Lateral surface area of cylinder formula 2 pi RH. It means it is equal to 2 pi RH. Find the radius of its base, and if its height is 5 centimeter, we have to find its radius. How will you find? Lateral surface area is given and height given. We have to find radius. So it means it is lateral surface area. So we will put equal to its formula 2 pi RH. H given, R we can find 2 into 22 by 7. R into H we know 94.2. Can you find from here radius? Yes, you can find from here radius. So from the first part we will find radius. R we will find. What will come next is second point, find its volume. So volume pi R square H. Pi value in the question is given, we have to take 3.14. R value from here we will find, and H value it is given. So find its volume also. So do yourself this one also. Next is next question. Question number 5. In question number 5, only first part I will explain, and last two part you can do yourself. It cost 2,200 to paint the inner curved surface area. Suppose you want to paint only inner curved surface area of the cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. It is a cylindrical vessel is given. It is 10 meter deep. Okay. And if you will paint, the total cost is how much? 2,200 rupees. And but one more thing is given. What is the rate of the cost? Rate of the cost of the painting is 20 rupees per meter square. Tell me, if I say you very simple things. If total cost is 100 rupees, so what is its area? And I am saying total cost is 100 rupees. 20 rupees 1 meter, so 40 rupees 2 meter, 60 rupees 3 meter square, and 80 rupees 4 meter square, and 100, which means 100 divided by 20. What is come? 5 meter square. If total cost is 100, so it means when we divide 100 divided by what is the cost of 1 meter, it will come curved surface area, because we are painting only curved. So it means curved surface area is 5. So it means if you want to find curved surface area of this one, so 2,200 divided by 20 rupees, like this one you can find. So how will you find? Look at. So you will find what is the given in the question. To write 20 rupees cost of 1 meter square. It is the given in the question. 10 meter. Yes. 20 rupees cost of 1 meter square. But we have to, how much meter square? This rupees for how much meter square? To write 1 rupees cost of how much? 1 meter divided by 20 meter square. Yes. Always first we will find the value of 1 unit. Same as it is. 2,000 cost of 120 into 2 to 0. So 0, 0, 2. So it is, what is? 4. So 2,200 rupees for how much area? For 112 area. I'm telling you, the total cost of painting is 2,200 rupees. So it means, what is the total cost? So it means it is equal to the total curved surface area of the cylinder. So it means 2,200 rupees is sufficient to paint the 110 rupees meter square. It means it is the curved surface area of cylinder. Understand? So right? So inner curved CSA of vessel. How much? 110 meter square. Understand it? Can you find? Now second part. You can find yourself. What is radius of the base? So radius of base, how will you find? It is inner curved surface area. So 2 pi r h equal to 110, because it is also inner curved surface area and 2 pi r also inner curved surface area 110. 2 you know, pi you know, r we want to find, and h is 10. So you can find from here r. Yours. Find yourself. Okay. Next is, how will you find? Look at, very simple. 2 into 22 by 7. R we want to find, and h value 10 equal to 110. Yes, 0 cancel, 0. Yes, 11 2 ja. So what is come? 2 into 2, 4 by 7. R equal to 1. So R equal to 7 divided by 4 centimeter. Understand it? Can you find yourself? Sorry, it is meter given, not in centimeter, it is meter. Same as it is. Can you find capacity of the vessel? Capacity mean volume. Volume pi r square h. R you know, h we know. We can find the capacity. Okay, so do yourself. Third part also. Next is question number 6. If the capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel, it is a closed cylindrical vessel, yes, and its capacity given. Capacity mean its volume given. Height is 1 meter, so it mean volume of cylinder. How much given? 15.4 liter. And liter can you change in meter cube? Yes, 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. Okay. So how many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? So first, so it is the given how many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make it. Yes, if you want to make a cylinder, so it is a metal sheet. So when you make a metal sheet, so metal sheet is using on lateral surface area and total surface area. So it mean we have to find total surface area. So total surface area, how can you find? We need total surface area of 2 pi r plus h. H is given but r is not given. So first we will find r. So how will you find r? So first we will find it's in meter cube. Okay. So 15.1 liter. In 1 liter how many meter cube? So 15.4 into 1 by 1000 meter cube. So what is? So it is 154 and 40. Okay, it is meter cube 40. But it is volume. So volume of the cylinder always equal to pi r square h equal to 1500 and 140. Okay, meter cube. And in height is, so first we will find h. Okay, so first pi 22 by 7, r we want to find h 154, this one 40. Okay, so first 27 22 we can cut by 7, so it is come. So r square equal to 7 into 7 divide by, so this one 40. So we want to find value of so 49, this one r. So taking square root both side. So taking square root both side, r square equal to 49, because we want to find value of r. So r and 49 7, it is 100. So what is come? 0.07 meter. It is radius. So radius also you know. So 0.07. Now I am rubbing. But in the question, look at, first it is a liter given. So we convert in meter cube. So it is volume. So equal to its volume formula. next is so we have to find how many square meter. देखो, look at in the question is already given how many square meter. Square meter means we are using area. We are using area, and you know, if you want to make a cylinder by using of metal sheet, so it's mean so metal sheet is using in outer curved surface area and top and base. So we write total area of metal sheet. How much? So it means when we make a cylindrical vessel, metal sheet is your top and base also. So it means 2 pi r into r plus h. So you can find now 2, 22 by 7, r 7 by 100 you can take, and into 0.1 plus 0.07 and find its answer. It is your answer. Understand it? Next two question, 7 and 8 do yourself. Very simple questions. Okay, so thank you everyone. Have a nice day.